Today we're going to install a floating sink, a large 10-foot floating copper sink. We're going to go over how to install it. First, we're going to set a laser level. If you do not have a laser level, some kind of level line at how tall you want your sink to be, or countertop height. It's usually whatever it needs to be. Then we're going to install 3 different brackets for this one in particular. If it's a smaller size sink, it will be probably just 2. If it's larger, it might be 4. But this one in particular has 3. You can see it's a gusset style with welded nuts for easily installed cross members. We're going to take this, line it up with our level line. Okay, I'm gonna come over. So we're going to take this gusset, outside facing out, it's labeled. Apply it to the level line. Depending on what it's being mounted into would determine on what kind of fasteners it needs. If it's going in a block wall, it would need 1/2-inch wedge anchors. If it's going into studs or wood, it would need a 1/2-inch lag screw or lag bolt, and all the holes need to be filled. Then we'll measure across whatever distance the sink is. That would be determined on the plans of the sink. This one is a 10-foot sink, so the dimension is going to be 118 inches. So we'll measure over on our level line, mark our line, and install our other gusset. Again, outside facing out. They're both labeled. Try to get over here. Once these 2 are installed, measure again to the middle, mark the middle line. Again, this is for this one in particular. Not all of them would have a 3rd gusset in the middle. Once all 3 of these are installed, it's time to add the sink. All right, so now that it's floating, we're not quite done yet. We still have to install the cross members. This is to ensure if somebody sits on this or leans on it, the middle of the sinks does not bow or sag or anything of the sorts. So we're gonna have to get underneath it. These cross members are labeled which side they go on. So you can slide this up in between the gussets. Very nice fit. And then we just very elegantly bolt them in. We suggest getting 1 bolt on either side before the other one, just so your arm doesn't fall off. Now once those are in, we'll move on to the next side. Oh, that was already the right way. Again, slide it up. Again, both bolts. And now it is finished. All right, so we're back with the floating copper trough sink. This is after the welding, after the finishing. We put a nice, beautiful natural copper patina on it. This is a finished product, so hope everybody likes it. See you at the next one.